Ever wondered how to prepare healthy meals that won't sabotage your weight loss journey? Well, prepare for a culinary adventure as we explore 3 amazing recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner that are not only tasty, but also kind to your waistline. First up, we have the power-packed spinach and egg white omelet for breakfast. Begin by heating a non-stick pan over medium heat. Spray it lightly with cooking spray. Add 2 cups of fresh spinach and sauté until wilted. In a separate bowl, whisk 5 egg whites until frothy. Pour this over the spinach. Cover and cook until set, which normally takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. This protein-rich breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and provides you with a steady stream of energy throughout the morning. Moving on to lunch, we present the quinoa salad with grilled chicken. Start by cooking 1 cup of quinoa as per the package instructions. While that's simmering away, grill a chicken breast seasoned with your favorite herbs and spices. Once cooked, dice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, diced chicken, a cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cucumber diced, and a handful of chopped fresh parsley. Drizzle with a dressing made from 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, a clove of minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This salad is packed with protein and fiber, essential for maintaining lean body mass and keeping you full for longer. Lastly, for dinner, we delve into the Mediterranean with a baked salmon with steamed broccoli. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a salmon fillet on a piece of aluminum foil. Season with a mix of dried herbs, lemon zest, salt, and pepper. Fold the foil into a packet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through. Meanwhile, steam some fresh broccoli until tender. This omega-3 rich dish promotes heart health and aids in weight management. In summary, these 3 recipes offer a balanced mix of proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. The spinach and egg white omelette is a high-protein breakfast that fuels your morning. The quinoa salad with grilled chicken is a fiber-filled lunch that keeps you satiated till dinner. And the baked salmon with steamed broccoli is a heart-healthy dinner that is light yet fulfilling. Remember, the journey to successful weight management isn't about drastic diet changes, but making small, sustainable tweaks to your eating habits. These recipes aren't just about losing weight, they're about promoting overall health and well-being. So, enjoy these delicious meals and savor the journey to a healthier you.